Correction. Okay. So let's start our classes today. So we'll learn about this is the third session on Microsoft Word. Okay. So we'll see how to insert pictures, shapes, and smart art. Uh, so we'll learn how to do this in a Word file. Okay. So, yeah. So let's start our session. So we have around 7 people today. So okay. So let's start. So as you see this picture, slide, right? So you can see, so all these these are all Word files. So Word files they have, so for the first file has give is like an invitation. Okay, so they have given borders. They added the picture and they have used uh, headings for different format of text and all these things they have done. So, and the second picture we can see how to do they've done some organizational chart. Okay, so and in the third picture they've added a profile picture. They've added so they have given their um, they have written the profile. So they're using Word file. So we are not going to see all those things, how to do all those things, but the basic stuff like how to insert pictures and all, and so we'll see today. Okay, so yeah. So first step is we have to learn we have to know how to insert pictures first. So the insert pictures is present in the insert ribbon, and under illustrations we have we have a command called pictures. So using this pictures we can click on it and we can add a picture in the Word document. Okay, so either we can add the word picture from the internet itself, or you can add the picture from your local from your computer. Okay, so uh, yeah, so 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 they are given. So this slide has the how to insert the picture. This slide shows how to insert the picture from the internet. Okay, so what I've done is they click the pictures, and here here you can see all the pictures uh, that is available to be inserted. Okay, so I think they have got it from some website, office.com clipart. Okay, so this is one way of adding in the picture. Okay, okay, hello, okay, okay, let's see how to add a picture now. Okay, uh, so let me open the file. So let me first create a Word file. So we'll go to today's class, 7th of February. Okay. Today is 7th March, right? So I'll create a new Word file. Okay, so right click and go to new, and you can see the Microsoft Word document option. So click on it and you will have a new Word document created. So we'll name it as practice, or we'll name the file as pictures. Okay, so today's class is pictures, right? So we'll name it as pictures. Profile pictures. uh, yeah, so let's name it as pictures. So double click on the file to open the file, and then now we can see how to insert a picture. Okay, okay, so what you have to do is go to insert ribbon. So this is called ribbon. So go to insert, And in the illustrations command, there is something called pictures. Okay, so click on the arrow drop down at the bottom. So you'll see from this device and online pictures. Okay, so first let's see how to do it from online pictures. So online picture is something we are going to get from the internet. So whenever you search in Google, right, you'll get some pictures. So that's the same thing we are doing, but instead of using a browser, we're going to do it from an Word file. Okay. So I click online pictures. So instead of having a Google search, we have a Bing search. So Bing is a search engine similar to Google. Okay. So we are using this search. So it comes with Microsoft, and they give this plugin. So let's say you want to add a picture of a flight. Okay, so I'll search for flight and click enter, and you can see a lot of pictures of flights here. So you can choose any one of the picture. Okay, so you can choose any one of the picture and say and click insert. So let us choose this file. Okay, so this picture. So select this picture and click the insert button. So it's here. So once you click the insert button, right, the picture appears in your uh, picture is added to your Word file. So these are the steps to add a picture using the online uh, online way. Okay, so here go to insert, go to pictures, and click online pictures. You can search for a picture and then you can insert it from the search menu. So you can search something, type something, click enter, and you will see some pictures, and you can choose a picture and then you can insert it. Okay, so this is how you add a picture from online. Okay, so any doubts in this? Yeah, புரியலையா இருக்காச்சு?
சார் புரியுது. இதே சேஃப்டி சைனேஜ் இதில் எடுக்கலாமா?
எது?
சேஃப்டி சைனேஜ் இந்த மாதிரி.
Yeah, we can do it. Yeah. So all you have to do is search for the appropriate picture. Okay. So his question was to whether he wants to insert any safety picture. Okay. So let's try this something from Bing.com. So go to online pictures. So you want to look for safety, right? Safety images, huh?
சேஃப்டி இமேஜ்.
Okay. Safety போட்டா வரணும். But உங்களுக்கு எந்த மாதிரி சேஃப்டி இமேஜ் வேணும்?
கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் சேஃப்டி சைனேஜ்.
So you have to search for construction safety then. So அது வந்து நம்ம இதெல்லாம் கூகுளோட வரது கிடையாது. ஐ மீன் வேர்டோட வரது கிடையாது. இது வந்து நம்ம சர்ச் இன்ஜின்ல இருக்குது. ஸோ மேபி போல சர்ச் பண்ணி பார்க்க வேண்டியதான். ஸோ கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் சேஃப்டி இங்கே ஒரு சிம்பிள் இருக்குது. இது ஓகேவா? ஸோ வி கேன் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் யூ கேன் யூஸ் திஸ். ஸோ இது மாதிரி நீங்க என்ன வேணா சர்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ ஹெல்த் சேஃப்டி நீங்க உங்களுக்கு தேவை. ஸோ யூ கேன் பி ஸ்பெசிஃபிக் ஆன் சர்ச். ஓகே, ஸோ whenever you search for a specific things, right, you type the right keyword, you will have your picture. Okay, so that's it. So let's choose this one. Okay, this one looks bigger. So he asked for a construction safety symbol, and we are going to select this one and we're going to insert it again. Okay, click on insert. Yeah, so we got our picture. So yeah, so that's it. How you add a picture from online. So you got, so இது புரிஞ்சிச்சா உங்களுக்கு? இதுக்கு மேல டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா யாருக்காச்சும்? இல்ல கிளியரா இருக்கா? ஓகே. ஓகே, அடுத்து வந்து so next வந்து we'll see how to add a picture from our own computer. Okay, so first I'll download some picture from online. So நம்ம search பார்த்தோம்ல, just now we search for something, right? So go to bing.com. Okay, so this is also a search engine which is being used in the images. Okay, so go to images, and if you do construction safety, right? Go to images, and okay, so let's download some picture. Let me download this picture. So I right click, save images to the desktop. I'm saving. Okay. So just now we saw how to do it from online. So I'm going to do it from my computer. So we have a picture in our in my computer. Okay. So it's something like this. I've downloaded the picture from online, and I'm going to add this picture in our Word file. Okay, so already we have a picture, so we're going to add another picture uh, from local computer. Okay, so this picture was added from internet. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So go to insert, go to pictures, go to this device. So here it clearly says this device. So you clicking on this device will open a file explorer window. So you remember where we saved the picture, right? We saved it in our desktop. And if you want to go to a desktop, there is a link here, quick access link, which says desktop. So click on it, and you should see our picture here, right? Select the picture and click insert. So select the picture and click insert. You will have your picture added here. So this is how you add a picture from your own computer. So we have seen both the ways of adding the picture. So any doubts in this? Yeah, புரியல அதுல. Okay. Okay. So I hope you understand. Okay. So I'll move on to the next topic.
சார் ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
சொல்லுங்க.
ஒரு வேர்ட் ஃபைல்ல வந்து 4 பிக்சர் கொண்டு வரணும். மேல ஒரு டைட்டில் கொடுத்தோம்னாக்க அது எப்படி கொண்டு வரணும்?
4 பிக்சர் 4 தடவை ஆட் பண்ண வேண்டியது. So go to internet. சொல்லுங்க.
1 2 3 4 அந்த டைப் ஆப்ல வரணும்.
அதான் ஒரு 4 பிக்சர் வேணா ஆன்லைன் பிக்சர்ஸ் போயிட்டு சர்ச் பண்ணுங்க. அதே கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் சேஃப்டி போடுவோம். Construction safety. So if you want to select 4 pictures, right? So select one picture.
Okay.
So this one, so 2, 3, 4. So 4 picture நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு. இங்கே நம்ம 4 picture செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே. So கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு இன்சர்ட் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா 4 picture உள்ள வந்துரும். ஸோ வரிசையா 4 picture வந்துரும். இது நீங்க ரீசைஸ்லாம் பண்ணிக்கலாம் உங்களுக்கு அழகா தெரியணும்னா. ஓகே. ஸோ அதெல்லாம் நம்ம பொறுமையா பார்ப்போம். ஸோ சின்னதாக ஓகே. ஸோ இதானே கேட்டீங்க எப்படி 4 பிக்சர் ஆட் பண்றது? ஓகே. ஸோ அவ்வளோதான். நீங்க ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஒரே வேலையை திருப்பி பண்ண போறீங்க, அவ்வளோதான். வேற ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஸோ நம்ம வந்து எல்லா பிக்சரும் ஆட் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஓகே. ஸோ இந்த இவ்வளோ பிக்சர் ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே. ஸோ yeah, so that's it. So these are steps to add a picture. So by online or through your local computer. Okay. So either doubts illana we can move on to the next topic. So next topic. So எவ்வளவு தூரம் பார்த்திருந்தோம் நம்ம வந்து insert pictures வரைக்கும் பார்த்திருந்தோம், ரைட்டா? Okay. So we saw how to insert pictures. இதுல clip artலாம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You don't need it. Okay, so leave it. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து so we saw how to add pictures. So now we have to know how to format a picture. Okay, so இப்போ வந்து picture add பண்ணியாச்சு. So we want to make it presentable. So நம்ம வந்து we already saw text formatting, paragraph formatting and all those things we saw last class. Okay, so now we'll see how to format a picture. Okay, so maybe we'll see the menus here. So go to, so whenever you select a picture, right, this format menu, right, this format menu, right, will appear automatically. So you select a picture, it will appear automatically. If you don't select a picture, right, it won't appear. So let's say I open this picture, and so the cursor is not on the picture, right? So the cursor lies somewhere here. So somewhere in this uh, down there. Okay. So what I do is I select this picture. So you can see here. So there is no menu called format. Okay. So once you select this picture, right, this format menu appears. So this format menu is useful to do some formatting on the picture. So you can do some effects, you can add some colors, and uh, you can do some manipulation with this picture. Okay, so let's see one by one how to do all those things. Okay, so I select this picture, I select electrical safety picture. Okay, so we'll see all those formatting one by one. So here there is something called background, remove background. Okay, so background, I think it will remove the background color. The background color is yellow, right? So click on it, and it will remove the background color of the picture. Okay, so it changed to pink. It's got all changes. Okay, maybe we'll try here. Yeah, let's see how to. So now you can see the changes, right? So what I did is I removed the background of the picture. So it removed everything, the background color, right? This cream color, right? It removed the cream color from the picture. So similarly for this electrical safety thing, right? Maybe we'll try background, remove background here. Mhm. Okay, disable இருக்கு. Okay, so leave it. Okay. Okay, இப்போ வந்திருக்கு. So click பண்ணீங்கன்னா, so click remove background. You should see. I think this color is removed. The pink shade, right? It's all going to be removed, and you'll see only the yellow color. So keep changes. Now you can see the background color image removed. So this happens automatically by. So you don't have to choose what is the background. Okay. So this happens automatically. It's taken care by Microsoft Word. So this is one option here, and let's see one by one. Okay, so select this picture, go to format, and you can see corrections here. So corrections is something they change the brightness and contrast in this picture. So you can choose any brightness or contrast using this option here. So you can see the preview also once you keep your mouse on the appropriate picture. So if you keep it here, right, it looks dark. So it looks this color. It looks very bright, and contrast is plus 40%. Okay, so they have some calculations also. So if you choose, you can select this and save the picture. So you can adjust the contrast and all those things using this option. Okay. So apart from that, let's see what else we have. So then we have color. So you can change the color of the picture also. So select green, you change the color picture as green. Okay. And apart from that, artistic effects. Okay, so these are all some effects that is available, so you can change anything you want. Okay, so uh yeah, some kind of effect. So looks like a glass, you can see through a glass or something like that also. It's like a line drawing, so pencil sketch. So we have some different artistic effects. Okay, so we can use any of these things. And apart from that, we have compressed pictures. Okay, let's see. So now we have something called picture border. So this picture doesn't have any border, right? So maybe we can add a border to this picture. So we can select a color. So click on red and you'll see a border color for this picture. Okay. And there is a picture name also at the bottom. So you can say health. You can say something like safety first. So this is just the picture text. And let's see what are the other options we have. Okay. So let's say what happens when you keep a picture over a picture. So let's remove all these pictures, unwanted pictures. I removed all those pictures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to place a picture on this picture. Mm, mhm. Okay, formatting. So see there is option to increase the picture size also here. So if you want to measure it by some value, right, you can do it from using this option. So it says centimeter. So this one is height. Height is 9.7 centimeter. Okay. So if I change it to 6 centimeter, the picture is going to become short. Okay. So we can adjust all those the picture size also here. And if you want to crop the picture, right? If you want to cut the picture, also it can be done. So you can say something like this. Okay. So you can crop the picture using any menus or options available here. So you can crop the picture, you can cut the picture and do some formatting using this menu. So there are a lot of menus. I'm not going to go through each one by one, but you can go and try it yourself. Okay. Uh, so yeah, so that's it about pictures. Okay. Mm. Then we have okay. So there is another option to draw our own picture. So let's say if you want to draw something, right, you can do it yourself. So go to insert, go to insert shapes. Okay. So next to pictures, there is something called shapes. So using this, we can draw some rectangle, or let's say if you want to insert a circle, you can do it. If you want to insert, you can do anything here. So there are some shapes here. So you can do all those things here. And you can add a color, or you can change the color of this pictures also. Select on this image, and the format menu appears here. So click on the format menu, and you can do shape fill. Okay, so you can change the color of the picture using this option. So you can change it here. You have changed to green. Okay, so this thing can be done here, and you can also place picture over picture. Okay. So this is another way to draw pictures yourself. So any doubts in this, how to draw shapes? Okay. So mm, mm. Yeah, so this is how we add a draw an image, so called a customized image. Instead of adding a picture from the internet or from a local computer, you can draw a picture yourself. Okay. So let's see some more formatting using this images. Okay. So click on this, select this image, go to format, and here you can see the same, mostly the options will be same. So you can choose the color of the picture, themes and all we can choose. Okay. Outline of the picture also you can choose. So if you see, right, if I say black, right, the so the outline of the picture changes. So select on this. If I change the outline to, I can choose yellow. So now you understand what is outline, right? You can see the difference. So you can choose your any color you want. Okay. So let me select yellow. So we chosen yellow, and the outline of this image, right, it changes to yellow. So this is one type of formatting. So, and there are effects. Let's say I want to bring this picture to the back of this picture. Okay, there are two picture images in it. Okay, one is the plus sign, and one is the rectangle. So I want to bring this picture to the back, right? So what I can do is I can click on it, and I can say send to back. So now what happens is this cross symbol, right? It went back of this rectangle symbol. So if I move this down, right, you can see it here. So what happened is it's put behind that picture. So if you want to bring it up back, right? So okay, so we don't have other option. So if you want to bring it back up, right, you have to send this one back. Okay. So click send to back, and your cross end appears back at the top of this rectangle shape. So this is another important option. We can do it here. Okay. Okay. There is also a bring forward option. Yeah. So if you want to do this thing, right? Bring forward, bring to front, send to backward, send to back. So you can use these options to play around with the picture placement. Okay. So yeah, any doubts in this? இதுல ஏதாவது புரியலன்னா கேட்கலாம் நீங்க. யாரெல்லாம் கம்ப்யூட்டர் வச்சிருக்கீங்க இன்னைக்கு? Who all have computers? Angovin, you have computer, right? Okay. So yeah, அடுத்து வந்து then what I say? So we saw how to resize a picture also. And if you want to rotate the picture, right, you can do it. So if you want to rotate the rectangle from left to right or right to left, right, you can do it. So click on this, rotate left, rotate 90. All this we can do. And if you want to rotate up to a certain degree, right, you can do it here using this option. So there's a holder for this. So select on this picture, click on this holder, and you can rotate your picture if you want. Okay. So this is another, you can do this kind of formatting also in this using the picture. And so if you want to Hmm. Yeah, these are the options that is used for formatting the picture. So any doubts in this? Doubts in that? கேக்கலாம். Okay. So yeah, so we saw how to insert pictures. We saw how to format pictures using these options. And then we saw how to move pictures from back to front to back, and all these options we saw. We saw how to crop a picture, how to cut a picture. We saw how to resize a picture using this thing. And we saw how to insert shapes or images. Okay, so we saw all those options here. Uh, click on- so we saw how to change the themes of the colors. We saw how to fill a image for the how to how to paint an image. So we saw how to paint an image, how to draw a borderline also we saw. So anybody has in computer, I want to give you guys a small work now. So you can try drawing this picture. So I'll give you 10 minutes. Someone. So I want whoever is having computer, right? I want you guys to do it. யாரெல்லாம் கம்ப்யூட்டர் வச்சு யாரெல்லாம் பண்ண போறீங்க? ஹலோ, காங்கவன். நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதா?
Hello, sir. Hello,
Ah,
sir.
yeah,
Can you
yeah,
hear?
yeah. I want you to do this task now, okay? So I want you to draw this picture using images, okay?
Image, yes, sir.
Okay, so வேற யார் கம்ப்யூட்டர் வச்சிருக்கா?
Sorry, teacher, this time teacher, the one.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, my one is repairs. Actually, go ready the repairing. Haven't come back.
Okay. So யாரெல்லாம்
Sure,
கம்ப்யூட்டர்
sure.
வச்சு பண்ணுங்க, okay? So I will also do it with you. So let's okay, let me also do it, okay? So first, so what I have to do is so first you have to draw a triangle, okay? Go to insert shapes, choose triangle. So there is a triangle here. So choose a triangle. So the triangle is somewhat orange in color, okay? So I'll change the color. I'll go to shape fill, and yeah, I will go to shape fill. I'll change the color to orange, okay? So then we'll build the house, okay? So this is in red color.
Okay.
So insert so shapes, we'll say triangle, okay? So triangle, I'll draw a triangle here for the house, okay? So now we'll change the color of the to red. So I'll go shape fill, I'll choose red, okay? And then we have to draw the road. So door, to draw the door, go to shapes again, open rectangle, and place the door here. Okay, so door is drawn. So door is in a black color. Okay, so click. Okay, door is drawn. So now they have drawn a flower pot. Okay, so flower pot has some complex shapes. Okay, so what we can do is go to insert shapes, and we can draw a first draw the bush at the top, right? So maybe so this one looks like the same picture, right? Yeah, so we'll make it
Small.
small. Yeah, very good. So we'll make it small and we'll make a copy of it. Okay, copy it and paste it. Okay, so we'll have two bushes. And so now the pot we have to draw. So
Okay.
pot again we have to use insert shapes rectangle. Okay, so I'll draw the rectangle here and I'll change the color to black. Okay, so now you can see, right, the pot is at the back and the green color is at the uh, so what you have to do, so what you can do is can do is send this image to back. Okay, so right click the image and you can say send to back. So the pot goes to the back and right click this image and we can change the color of this image. So what I have to do is go to color and we can fill it with the green color. And similarly, we can draw the next pot also. First, let's change the color. So right click, fill green color, okay. And maybe we can copy this also. So copy, paste, and we'll place this here. So again, what I'll do is we have to send it to back so that the picture appears at the exact back of the place. So we have drawn these things, okay. And so now we have to draw the mountains. So mountains, so it's in rectangle shape, right? So click right. So we'll place some mountains here. Insert shapes. So, so now what we have to do is we have to place the mountains at the back of the house, right? So house should be in the front, okay? So what we can do is we can send it to the we can send this mountain back or we can bring the house front. Okay, so we'll bring the house to the front. So select the house, uh, bring forward or bring to front. Okay, so click on bring to front. Just select the bottom of the house. Select bring to front. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to click this also. You have to choose bring to front. Now you can see the uh, image, the mountains to the back of the house. Okay, so now you can change the color of the mountains also. So click on this rectangle, go to shape fill. So we'll change it to brown. Hmm, okay, we'll choose this color. Huh? So let's choose this colors and shape fill. Now we are changing the color of the mountains. Okay. So anybody trying to do it? இதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியுதா எல்லாரும்? இல்ல Angavin, you're able to do it?
So, maybe I can do it, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubts, stop. Let me know. Okay, I can help you now.
Yes, sir.
So we're drawn up the house and the mountains. Okay, now let's see how to draw. So what else we have to draw? Yeah, so we have to draw the clouds and the sun. Okay, so let's see how to draw those things. So insert shapes. So let's see whether we have any cloud picture here. Yeah, so we have the sun picture here with the cloud picture here. So placing on the image, we can see all those the name of the picture, name of the image we can. So click on
Yes, sir.
sun. Yeah. So just change the sun color to I don't know. Sun color. Okay, so we're drawing the sun. So
Yeah.
now we have to draw the clouds. Okay, so that's it. Cloud is also inserted. So this is how you draw a picture of your house and a mountain, something like that. Okay, so this is how you draw. So any doubts in this? புரியலனா கேட்கலாம்.
All right, sir.
Raghavana, you draw it or
Yes, sir.
you have any doubts?
I have no doubt, sir.
No doubt, Ra.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want me to? You want to show the picture? Okay. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay, so this is how you draw a picture. So this assignment was suppose you guys have to do it. Okay, so but since nobody responded, I'm drawing it. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
hmm,
To Apple.
okay. So yeah, so this task is completed. Mm, Okay, so we saw how to draw this scenery using this word file. So we just use images and we use some formatting to do it. So we saw how to change colors for the picture. We saw how to bring it to the back, bring it to the front. We saw how to copy all those pictures, and we saw how to find the appropriate image. So we saw all those options. Uh, so yeah, so this is how you draw a picture in Word. Okay. So usually we don't use
All right,
Word to
sir.
draw pictures, but this will be helpful. What to say? Uh, I mean, this will help you understand using these options better. Okay. Yeah. So, let me move on to the next topic. Okay. So we are done with drawing this picture, and we'll move on to smart art. We'll see how to do all these things. Okay. So smart art, right? So smart art, using smart art, right? We can organize the images using shapes. Okay, so we saw how to. We saw in the first, right? We saw how to do an organizational chart with the hierarchy and all these things, right? So all this kind of things can be done using the smart art. Okay, so we have layouts and designs while using smart charts. We have themes while using smart charts. We have some styles for formatting. Okay, so we'll see all those things. Uh, so this is okay. Let's finish smart art first. Okay. Uh, so there is some option called go to insert and something there's called smart art here. Okay, so I'll delete all those things. Okay, so go here and go to insert and in the illustration go to smart art. Okay, in the smart art, right, we have different types of smart art. Okay, so one is so everything has a name. So one is called a basic block list. So some hexagons or something. And, so similarly, we have list, some process and all these things, hierarchy we have. So we have a lot of options here. So let's see how to use a hierarchy chart first. Okay, so hierarchy chart is used to let's see an organization hierarchy. Okay, so I select this option hierarchy and name title organization. So I'll use this chart. Okay, smart art, right? I'll choose this one and I click OK. So right. So now the picture is the smart art is inserted. So what we have to do is we have to insert the text here. So maybe so he's the CEO of a company. Okay, so let's say someone. So John is the CEO of a company. So he's the top. Okay, so under John, so John is the so his designation is CEO. Okay, Chief Executive Officer. So under that we let's say we have David, and he is the vice president of. Okay, so he is the VP of finance. So similarly under John, maybe we can add another report here. Okay, so what we can do is we can go to layout, add shape. எப்படி add பண்றது? Add shape. Okay, so what I did is I've added another person under John. Okay, so let's say Maria. So Maria is VP of HR operations. Okay, so this is an hierarchy. Okay, so if you want to add another guy under, so let's say we delete all these things. Uh, I'm cutting all those options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another person under David and one person under Maria. Okay. So what I can do is I click on David and I add a shape after. What to do? So add a shape, add assistant. Okay. So if you do add assistant, right? So someone assistant VP of finance. Okay. So A assistant, so John Maria. So let's say Muthu. Okay. So Muthu is the assistant VP, AVP. So assistant VP of finance. So similarly, we can draw this financial structure. So you can use these options. Okay. So under Maria, you can add another assistant saying Bala is the AVP of HR. Okay. So similarly, we can build organizational structure using this smart art options. Okay. So yeah, so this is similar to the first chart we saw, right? Organizational chart, right? So this is somewhat similar to this chart. You can see it here, right? So we can do these organizational charts and a lot of other things also we can do. So any doubts in this? Doubts இருக்கா இப்போ chart வரைஞ்சதுல? இதுவே நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம், நம்ம எவ்வளவு வேணா ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So any doubts in this? Okay, let's see another example on smart art. Okay, so let's say we'll draw something else now. Okay, go to insert, go to smart art, and let's see something else. Okay, let's do some process. Okay. Uh, so let's do a basic process. Okay, so this is something basic process. Let's say I want to what to say, I want to apply for a job. So that is a process, right? So we'll take step by step. First what you have to do is applying for a job. You have to prepare your resume, right? Prepare resume. Then what you have to do is you have to upload your resume in job portal. Okay. So then what you have to do is then you have to apply for jobs. So go to job portal, search first. You have to search for a job. Okay, search for jobs in the job portal. So then what you have to do is then you have to apply for a job, right? So we are now what happens is so the smart art is over. So we can we have to add a shape to the like. So what I'm going to do is add shape after. So I'll do add shape after, and you'll have a shape added all automatically. So search for a job. Then you have to apply for jobs. So then what else? So add shape, attend interview first. Then you have to, then what else? Then you have to join the job. That's it, right? Format. So join the tab. So yeah, so that's it. That's how we can add a another what to say. This is called a process smart art. Okay, so this is how you can do it. So any doubts in this? இதுல ஏதாவது doubts இருக்கா? நான் சொன்னதுல? Hello. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so let's move on to the next topic. I think you don't have any doubts. We saw all these things. We saw smart arts, right? Okay, so we saw two examples of smart art. So then let's see layout and design changes. Okay, so this also we saw how to do a layout, how to add. I think we didn't. So layouts, right? So we can we can add some styles to your smart art. Okay, so you can see the difference, right? You can choose any styles you want. So there are 3D styles, there are normal styles and all these things. Okay, so you can see the graphics, right? When you select it, it changes to the it changes. So this is how you add styles to your process. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So what else was there? Styles we saw. We had to see themes. How to do themes? Okay. I think themes is. So you can use this option to change colors also. Okay, so if you want some other color, you can do it. Mm, okay, so we saw two examples in smart art also, right? So let's see. So okay, yeah, we are done that. So we'll saw how to do page formatting and borders and shading for pages. Okay, and also word art. So first thing is how to add borders to the page. Then we'll see how to do a word art. Okay, so that's what's shown here. So in show. So if you see this Word file, right, it doesn't have any borders. So it's just a plain document, right? So what I can do is you can select this page and go to design. Oh, sorry, insert design. Okay, so go to design and go to page borders. Click on this and you'll have this menu opened. Okay, so you can add borders to the page using some lines. Okay, so the lines could be a 3D line or a dotted line. You can give the, so let's say I want to draw a line like this. Okay, so a squiggly line. uh, so we'll add this line And also I can choose the color of the line. Okay, so I can just say I'll add a dark green color, and also the size of the width of the line. So I will increase the width of the line. Okay. So the width of the line, I'm not able to increase it. So it's fixed to 3 by 4 points. Okay, PT. So once you selected all these options, right? Click OK, and you'll see the type of line added here. So if I zoom in, right, you can see the type of line added, and it's added to the whole document. So let's say I'm adding a new page, right? It automatically uh, comes with the border itself. So because the border is applied to the whole document, not only to the single page. So it's going to keep it similar, and it's going to add for all the pages of the Word document. So this is how you draw a border for the page. Okay. So, and we can do some effects also. So if I click 3D, right, you might see some effect. Hmm. Hmm. So now we can see a shadow effect, right? So I choose page borders. I choose shadow. So if I remove this, right, if I say none, right, you can see the shadow will be removed. The dark shadow, right, it is going to be removed. So click OK. It is, the whole thing is removed. Oh my God. Okay. So I can do some, okay, some border here. So I can choose this one. I can choose some colors. Okay. So if I want to add this kind of picture also, we can do it. So this is how you draw a border. Borders, page border, shading. So now you got how to, now you know how to add borders. Is that clear? That doubts இருந்தா கேட்கலாம். யாருக்கா doubts இருக்கா? Okay. So now we'll see how to change the page color. Okay. So if there is option to choose under design, right? There's an option to choose there's an option to choose the page color. So you can choose can select this option to change the color. Okay. So you can give any color you want. Let's choose blue, light blue. Okay. So I've added this. So this is how you change a page color. Now another interesting thing, right? So we can add a watermark. Okay. So let's say this document is right. It works for it is for it is this is for some company, right? We can add some text to do it. Let's say this is the name of the company, right? You can add as a watermark. Okay. So what will happen is if I click OK, right? So now you can see the typed text here. So Mercedes Private Limited. Okay. So this is how you add a watermark. So if you add a new page also, this watermark comes automatically. And this watermarks, right, it always comes to the back of the page. So it's not going to appear on top of any of the text or any of this smart arts or anything else. So it always lies at the bottom of the page. Okay. So this will help you to understand, I mean, highlight something. So let's say this is a confidential document. So you can choose some other watermark. Okay. So you can say confidential so that people won't read those documents. So similarly, we can do a lot of things. Okay, so we have do not copy. So let's say if you don't want someone to copy this document, you can say do not copy or something like this. So this is another option, how you add watermarks to a Word document. Okay, so up to this, any doubts? ஏதாச்சும் doubts இருந்தா கேட்கலாம். ஏதாவது புரியலையா?
இதுல இருக்க ஃபார்மேட் போய் ஆன்லைன்ல இருந்து நம்ம ஃபார்மேட் எடுத்துக்கலாமா?
வாட்டர்மார்க் இருக்கா? அப்படிதான் இருக்கு. ஆனா நோ கண்டென்ட் ஆன்லைன் வருது, ஏன்னு தெரியல எனக்கு. பட் நான் சூஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன், எனக்கு கரெக்டா தெரியல. இருக்கணும், office.com இருந்து வரணும், பட் கண்டென்ட் எதுவும் இல்லை. பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன், கரெக்டா தெரியல எனக்கு. மேபி இது கூட பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிக்சர் வேணா செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்க. ஆன்லைன்ல லோக்கல்ல இருந்து பிக்சர் எடுத்துக்கலாம். செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இப்போ வந்து பிங் சர்ச்ல நம்ம ஏதாவது பண்ணிக்கலாம். சர்ச்ல வந்து என்ன போடுறது, சேஃப்டி கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். ஸோ கிளிக் ஓகே. ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது வந்து டெக்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு பீரியட் ஆட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ ஆன்லைன்ல கூட பண்ணிக்கலாம் நீங்க வேணா. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணோம்னா, மோர் வாட்டர் கஸ்டம் வாட்டர் மார்க் போயிட்டு ஐ வென்ட் டு பிக்சர், செலக்ட் பிக்சர், இந்த ஃபைல்ல இருந்து எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன். ஸோ ஓகே, ஸோ இது வந்து பிக்சர் வந்து வாட்டர் மார்க்கா வைக்கிறதுக்கு. And also if you want a text watermark, right, you can type the text here. So you can type something like Singapore documents. Okay, so font, language எல்லாமே சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம், கலர்ஸ் கூட சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் போல இருக்கு. So apply. Okay, ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்படி இது மாதிரி கூட டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ ஆன்லைன்ல இருந்து கூட பண்ணிக்கலாம், நீங்க வந்து இதுவும் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ இது கிளியரா இருக்கா? ஆன்லைன்ல இருந்து பண்றது எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு பாத்தீங்களா?
ஓகே
ஓகேவா? ஓகே, ஸோ go to custom watermark, go to picture watermark, select picture, local computer சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சர்ச் ஆன்லைன்ல இருந்து சர்ச் பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கலாம், இல்ல பர்சனல் டிரைவ், ஒன் டிரைவ், இது கூகுள் டிரைவ் மாதிரி. ஸோ we can do it from this your personal drive also. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. வேற என்ன இருக்கு? ஸ்மார்ட் ஆர்ட். Okay, smart art next chapter முடிஞ்சிச்சு. So now we'll see how to add smart arts. Okay, so I'll remove these watermarks and all these things. Remove watermark. I can do remove watermark. I can change the background color of the picture back to white. And let's see how to add a word art. Okay, so go to insert design. எங்க இருக்கு word art? Okay, so இங்க இருக்கு word art. So if you see here, right, go to insert, and there is something called text here. So go here and say insert word art, right? You can, so you can do some word art here. Okay, so இதுல நம்ம எந்த style வேணா choose பண்ணிக்கலாம். So you can choose any style you want. Okay, so click this one and type your text here. So FIB basic computer class. So this is how you add a word art to your Word document. Okay, so what we did is go to insert, go to the text option, insert word text here, and you can choose another text if you want. Okay, so click on this. So let's say basic computer class. So this is how you draw a you can add a word art to your document. Okay, so word arts it's something like a word formatting. So these are all built-in styles. Okay, so for a word we can add built-in styles with the word. So you can choose any one of these options here. So click, you can say basic computer class. So yeah, so any doubts on this? இவ்வளவுதான் இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. இதுல ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா? நம்ம கொஞ்சம் படிச்சிருக்கோம். So we learned all these things. Okay, so today so today we saw how to add pictures to the document, and yeah, so we saw how to insert pictures. So there are two ways to insert pictures: from the local computer, from online. Okay, so we saw examples on both these things, and we saw how to format a picture, how to resize a picture, how to fill the picture, how to remove a background, and how to add some borders and styles for the picture, and so how to bring the pictures front and back also we saw. So these are things we saw. How these are options available in how in formatting a picture. And the format window appears only when you select the picture. It hides when you unselect the picture. Okay, so and we saw how to resize a picture. So we saw how to add different shapes to the picture, right? And we saw how to add images. So we saw how to add images like square, rectangle, and different other shapes. Okay, so we saw how to resize the size of the image, and also we learned how to uh, we learned how to add a we learned how to change the colors of the picture also. So then we saw layouts and changes. Okay, so we saw how to add some built-in styles. Okay, so and also add some how to change the color and outline for a word. So this is one thing we saw, and we saw this example how to draw a scenery with word. Okay, we saw how to add how to use triangles, how to select shapes like clouds and sun. So which these are all pre-built shapes that is available. So we use all these shapes to draw the house, the mountains, sun, clouds, and also the flower pots. Okay. Then we saw how to add smart art. Okay, in the smart art we saw how to in how to do an organizational chart. Okay, so we saw how to add a position chart. Okay, so we saw how to draw the pictures of a C. I mean, we learned how to add a CEO, their vice presidents and presidents in a hierarchical structure. And also we saw how to process to represent to apply for a job. So we use shapes using this process. Okay. Then we saw how to add borders for pages, and also we saw how to change the colors of the pages. Okay, so today's this week's homeworks will be you have to add this create this poster using word art. Okay, so you have to draw this image, add this picture. You have to use word art to do the heading, and you have to add borders, and also you have to change the background of the pictures. Okay, so you have to create a poster for your football or cricket match. So picture choice could be yours. So I want you to make a similar poster like this. Okay, so hope you guys will do it. Okay, so that's it for this class today. So any doubts you can ask me.